out of this world experience, literally. Imagine soaring through space while floating weightlessly into the air.
That's what the astronauts inside the International Space Station are doing right now. And in our Einstein Healthcare Science Center report tonight, meteorologist Lauren Casey has more of her interview with the crew. They told her what life is like on board the ISS.
It's like becoming a superhero or something. It's enjoyable, it's fun, and sometimes it's tricky and difficult.
That's what it's like to be weightless in space. Japanese astronaut Norishige Kanai says of living in microgravity 24/7. This is life aboard the International Space Station, a dream come true for NASA astronaut Scott Tingle.
When I was younger, we were just starting our space program, and we walked on the moon. And to me, that was very exciting, and it was a worthy goal.
And achieving that goal comes with a pretty stellar view.
First time I was into space and watching the Earth from the window. That was spectacular.
From a 360-degree bay window on the ISS, the astronauts can observe with their own eyes the enormity of storm systems that we on Earth can only see on satellite imagery, including today's nor'easter.
You can kind of see a really good cross-section, a really good balance of not being too far away, but being close enough to really see a lot of the details going on with the weather. So it's really kind of neat to watch and watch the ripples as the storms make their way, specifically this time up the East Coast.
We have lots of experiments every day. Literally hundreds of experiments is simultaneously going on.
From investigating the chemical composition of meteors, to measuring the distribution of pollution in the atmosphere, to examining how their own bodies react to spaceflight.
When we're in space, our spines tend to elongate a little bit, so we may grow an inch or two while we're up here. I think I'm about an inch taller, and then when I go back home, it'll all compress back down again.
So who needs heels, ladies? Just go up into space, and you can see the ISS pass overhead each day in Philadelphia. You can wave hi to the astronauts at 6:32 tomorrow morning. The ISS will look like a bright and slow-moving star and will be visible for about 4 minutes. And you can also see my entire interview with the astronauts on board the space station. Just go to cbsphilly.com and click on videos to hear more about out-of-this-world topics, and just such a cool experience to get to talk to them.
Really neat, and
also
to
fascinating.
think you can see it, you know, at 6:32 a.m.
Yeah, see them flying by, be like, hey guys, how you doing up there? But it was just crazy standing there like, I'm on Earth and they're in space, but we're having a chat. So
Technology is amazing.
It really is.
So cool. Thanks so much, Lauren.
Yeah, and here on Earth,